Hello students, welcome to our channel General Learnings. In this video, you are going to learn about subtraction word problem. We will see one problem. There were 8,675 apple trees in an orchard. 2,134 trees were cut down. How many trees were left in the orchard? First, we need to understand the problem. So here in this problem, they have given us there are 8,675 apple trees were there. So in that apple trees, 2,134 trees were cut down. So we need to find out how many trees were left. So for that we need to find the subtraction. So first we need to write the statement. So total number of tree was 8,675. In that, trees were cut down as 2,134. So what we are going to find out? So we are going to find out how many trees were left. So for that we are going to do subtraction. So first we need to write the two numbers vertically under appropriate columns according to their place values. Then we need to subtract the digits in the ones column. So we need to keep 5 on our mind. Next we need to subtract 4 from 5. So for that we need to tell the number in the reverse order. So before 5 is 4, 3, 2, 1. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Next, we need to subtract the digit in the tens column. So we need to keep 7 on our mind. So we need to subtract 3 from 7. So before 7 is 6, 5, 4. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Next, we need to subtract the digits in the hundreds column. So we need to keep 6 on our mind. So before 6 is 5. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Next, we need to subtract the columns in the thousands place. So we need to keep 8 on our mind. So before 8 is 7, 6. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So 6,541 trees were left in the orchard. Next, we will see another one problem. An ice cream vendor sold 5,700 ice creams in June and 2,850 ice creams in July. How many less ice creams did he sell in July than in June? So first we need to understand what the problem is. Here they have given an ice cream vendor in June month they have sold 5,700 ice creams. In July he have sold 2,850 ice creams. So now we are going to find out while comparing to June and July how many ice cream did he sell. So for that we need to find the subtraction. So first we need to write the statement. So ice cream sold in June was 5,700. Then ice cream sold in July was 2,850. So now we are going to find out while comparing to June and July how much ice cream did he sell less. So first we need to write the two numbers vertically under appropriate columns according to their place values. Then we need to subtract the digit in the ones place. Here 0 minus is 0. So what will come? So 0 minus is 0 is 0. Next we are going to subtract the digit in the tens place. Here 0 minus 5. So which is 0 is less than 5. So we cannot subtract. So we are going to borrow the number from the nearest place values, that is 100. So we are going to borrow the 100 from the 100 place, so that so we are going to borrow 100 from the 100th place, so that the 0 become 10 in the tens place, then the 7 become 6 in the 100th place. Now we are going to subtract 10 minus 5. So we need to keep 10 on our mind. Then before 10 is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Next, we are going to subtract the 100 place, which is 6 minus 8. So again, 6 is less than 8. So we cannot subtract. So we are going to borrow one number from the nearest place value, that is 1000. So we are going to borrow 1000 from the thousands place, so that the 6 in the 100 place becomes 16, then 5 in the thousands place become 4. So now we are going to subtract 16 minus 8. So before 16 is 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Next, we are going to subtract the digit in the thousands place, which is 4 minus 2. So before 4 is 3, 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2850 less ice cream sold in July than in June. We will see another one word problem. Here they have given a factory manufactured 5,436 watches. It sold 1,782 watches. How many watches were not sold? So in this problem, what they are telling, they have manufacturing 5,436 watches. In that, they have sold 1,782 watches. So now we are going to find out how many watches were not sold. So for that we are going to find the subtraction. First we need to write the statement. So manufactured watches what? 5,436. Then sold watches is 1,782. So now we are going to find out how many watches were not sold. So we are going to write these two numbers vertically according to their place values. Next, we are going to subtract the digit in the ones place. So, which is 6 minus 2. So, we need to keep 6 on our mind. Then, before 6 is 5, 4. So, 6 minus 2 is 4. Next, we are going to subtract the digit in the tens place, which is 8, 3 minus 8. So, 3 is less than 8. So, which is not possible to subtract. So, we are going to borrow one number from the 100 place. So, that we are going to borrow 100 from the 100 place, so that the 3 in the tens place become 13. The 4 in the 100 place become 3. So, now we are going to subtract 13 minus 8. So, before 13 is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 13 minus 8 is 5. Next, we are going to subtract the digit in the 100 place. So which is 3 minus 7. So which is not possible because 3 is less than 7. So we cannot subtract. So we are going to borrow 1000 from the thousands place, so that the 3 in the 100 place become 13. 5 in the thousands place become 4. So now we are going to subtract 13 minus 7. So we need to keep 13 on our mind. So before 13 is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So 13 minus 7 is 6. Next we are going to subtract the digits in the thousands place. So which is 4 minus 1. So we are going to keep 4 on our mind. So before 4 is 3. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3,654 watches were not sold. We will see another one problem. Ramesh has rupees 6,295. Zara has rupees 2,595 lesser than Ramesh. So how much money does Zara have? So in this word problem, what they have given, Ramesh have rupees 6,295, whereas Zara has 2,595 amount less than the Ramesh. So now we are going to find out how much money that Zara have. So first we are going to write the statement. So amount Ramesh has was rupees 6,295. Then amount less than Ramesh. What is rupees 2,595? So now we are going to find out how much money does Zara have. So first we need to write the two number vertically under appropriate columns according to their place values. Now we are going to subtract the digits in the ones column. So which is 5 minus 5. So any number, so what will come? 5 minus 5 is always, obviously it is 0. Next we are going to subtract the digit in the tens column. So which is 9 minus 9. So which is also a 0. Next we are going to subtract the digits in the hundred place, which is 2 minus 5. So which is 2 is less than 5. So we cannot subtract the number. So we are going to borrow 1000 from the thousands place, so that the 2 in the hundreds place become 12, then 6 in the thousands place become 5. So now we are going to subtract 12 minus 5. So we need to keep 12 on our mind. So before 12 is 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Next we are going to subtract the digits in the thousands place, which is 5 minus 2. So we're going to keep 5 on our mind. So before 5 is 4, 3. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So thus Zara has rupees 3,700.